Hi guys, it's Nayalicious here again. Thanks for stopping by on my channel. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber that lives in Australia. If this is your first time seeing this beautiful face, click on the red button and subscribe. And if you're my old subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to show me love. On today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to prepare this coconut fried rice and the tips on how to achieve the best colorful coconut fried rice that you would always want to enjoy with your family. So let's go through the ingredients together. The first ingredient here is this chicken. You can use any white meat of your choice. I've washed the chicken. And the next ingredient here is this chicken breast that been diced into pieces, and bay leaf, salt, nut cubes. And the next ingredient here is fresh thyme, fresh diced onions, and fresh rosemary. Here we've got all the fresh veggies, green beans, shredded carrots, sweet corn, long pepper, and peas, organic coconut oil, shredded coconut, and coconut milk. These are most of the ingredients. I was still going to show you another ingredient, so you need to watch to the end to see that ingredient. Now I'm going to start by adding this cleaned chicken into the pot. I'll add cooking salt. I'll add the seasoning nut cubes, just 2 of it. I'll add the bay leaves. I'll add the fresh rosemary and the fresh thyme. You can use the dried ones also. And I'll add the onions. I just want to be generous with these onions. I'll go ahead and add water. If you like to season your meat with other ingredients, you can go ahead and add it into the pot, but I just want to keep this recipe very simple. I'll cover it and let it cook until this meat is half done, which will take about 10 minutes because this is a soft chicken. After 10 minutes, the chicken is already half done. This is not a local chicken. This is a soft chicken. If you're using a local one, you may need to cook it longer. I just added the chicken breast into the pot and I'm stirring it together. I'll cover it to cook together for 5 good minutes because it's a soft chicken. How many times I got to let you know? At this point, the chicken is well done. I'm just going to remove the ayam and set the chicken aside. If you've not subscribed to my channel and you're enjoying this video, please click on that red button to subscribe. The things you do to me, I cannot let you go. How many times You can always fry or grill the chicken depending on what you want to do with it. Now I'm going to add the rice into a boiling water. Like I always tell you guys, it's always important to let the hot water boil before you add the rice into it. So today I'll be adding 1, 2, and 3 cups of rice. And the 4th one, I'll just stir it together so that it will not stick together inside the pot. If you cook the rice with cold water, the rice will be soggy because the rice will drink plenty water before it go parboil. So now the rice has parboiled for 10 good minutes. I'm just going to transfer it to the sink and rinse out the excess starch. After rinsing and parboiling the rice, now I'm going to add a glass of coconut milk. Got to let you know. The way you do. I'm straining the chicken stock into the rice. I'm not going to use all this chicken stock. I'll just add what I need and set the other one aside for another recipe. Now I'm just adding the remaining seasoning cubes and I will add salt. Stir it and taste for salt and seasoning. The coconut milk and the stock should be almost same level as the rice so that you won't end up with a soggy mushy rice. I'll let it cook on a medium heat for few minutes. And after a few minutes, oh my, the coconut rice is well done, but it's not soggy. Here is the organic coconut oil. I'm adding 4 tablespoons of this organic coconut oil. It's always good to use coconut oil for this recipe. And I will let the oil heat up before adding this fresh green peas into it. I will add the chicken that has been cooked before now, and I will stir it together. The green peas is a little bit harder than the other veggies, so stirring it together with the chicken just to soften it a little bit. Now that the fresh peas is already half done, I'm adding the cooked coconut rice inside the pot, and I'll go ahead and add all the veggies. Here is a long red chili and fresh pepper. Always add pepper to your taste, and I will add the green fresh beans. Add the sweet corn. I'll add the shredded fresh carrot. I'm adding the fresh shredded coconut. I will add the remaining nut cubes. I'll also add the black pepper. You know I love black pepper in my coconut fried rice. Go ahead and stir everything together. At this stage, you just have to fry it on a medium heat. You don't want to end up with too much rice or too much veggie. Everything has to be equal. If you've not subscribed to my channel and you are enjoying this video, what are you waiting for? Wait till you gain. Click on that red button to subscribe. It's for free, darling. Don't forget you have to fry on a medium heat. Frying the rice without not giving it space, otherwise it will start burning or start sticking to the pot. So just stir and stir and stir, and make sure the ingredients, the veggies, the coconuts, the rice, the everything mixed together. I'm going to adjust the seasoning by adding more of this black pepper because I just love it, and I add salt into it. At this point, you just have to adjust the salt how you want it and the spiciness, the hotness you need. The things you do, I cannot let you go. I used like a tablespoon of this black pepper. If you are using the African black pepper, which is the Mpolozuza, you may not need that much. You may just use like half a teaspoon. But you know this Oyibo black pepper is not the same thing as the African black pepper. Baby, how many times I got to let you know the way you do it. After 5 minutes of frying the chicken, the coconut rice with all the colorful veggies, this coconut fried rice is ready. And you can see the green veggies are still green and crunchy. The carrot is not overcooked. The corn is just on point, not overcooked. I'm gonna serve it into this coconut plate. One is for you and one is for me. Just come with your spoon and join me. You can always enjoy this coconut fried rice with a coconut sauce, which I've got a video on how to prepare. I'm sure you already know that Nailicious can't prepare this colorful, yummy, delicious, nutritious coconut fried rice without not giving it a classic presentation. This is the kind of fried rice that will make your guests want to visit you all the time. The shredded coconut inside this coconut fried rice is the game. Like the carrots, the coconut milk with the black pepper, when they meet together, you can't resist it, my dear. Just go ahead and prepare this delicious meal for your family and you would thank me later. May I remind you that you can keep this colorful coconut fried rice in your fridge for 5 good days. Just bring it out anytime and microwave it, and it will be as fresh as ever because the vegetables were not overcooked, the rice was not soggy, the carrot is on point. I also got a video on how to prepare other coconut recipes like coconut chin chin and coconut sauce. Don't forget to check out my other videos. Show me love by subscribing to my channel and do well to like, share my videos. I love you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your support. I really do appreciate you all. I will see ya. Mwah.